how to remove the tire, right? Now, this is the Inokim Light 1, so this doesn't have the split hub, right? So how do you fit this on? So you're gonna make sure that on the threading, you can see that the threading is going downwards like this, right? So when you fit in the tire back, right, it has to make sure that in the forward direction, it's rotating like that. All right. So this is the correct direction when it's when the threading is shooting downwards, right? So that the water comes up from behind.
This guy want to do it.
Go. Make sure it's tight. Okay. That's it. Okay. The brakes are tight, there's enough tension in the brake wires, and that's it. Right? That's how you install the airless solid tires on the Inokim Light 1. Right, we'll show you how to install it on the Light 2 in a separate video, where you'll see that it's actually much easier because the Light 2 has a split hub motor where you can remove one side and the tire just slots in easily.